My name is Kit Beaudry with MarineMax Pensacola, and today I'm going to take you on a walkthrough and show you this all-new 2020 Boston Whaler 380 Outrage starting up in the tower. Up in the tower, you will see everything at your hands. Only thing you would need to add is an electronics of your choice. You have your vessel view, your joystick piloting system, trim tabs, and your start stops. Everything to get this boat on the water ready to fish. We'll start out on the transom of the 380 Outrage, and you will see for 2020, they have went to quad power. This particular boat is powered with quad Mercury 300 Verados. Stepping into the cockpit, you will see ample amount of space to fish this boat with a large aft bench seat that pulls out if you're just looking to cruise or get to that fishing spot. Next, we'll take you down to our Bilge Access. Everything is easy accessible. We have our Fisher Panda diesel-powered generator running right now. Easy access to your seacocks, your battery chargers, your batteries underneath. Just very, very user-friendly. Moving forward to the leaning post, you will see we've equipped this particular boat with a summer kitchen with a Kenyan grill. Over here off to the starboard side, a sink, cutting bait, cleaning up, ample storage up top, lots of drawers down below. At the helm on the 380 Outrage, you have ample room for large displays. As you can see, we have some sample displays of Ray Marine up here, showing you can do up to a 19-inch screen on each side. AC at the helm, your Fusion Apollo head unit, your joystick and throttles. Up above us at the helm, you will see nice storage locker here, also for your VHF, our vessel view system monitoring the engines, and our Seakeeper module. Do you want to watch your baits on the 380 Outrage? You can do that too, as this boat's equipped with the trolling seats. Sit here, watch your baits as you troll. So we've came down below in the 38 Outrage, and you will see it's the perfect cabin for that quick overnight tuna trip. Let your guests get some rest, an enclosed head to shower and clean up, rod storage, just to get out of the weather and stay in the AC for a little bit. We've made our way forward, and you will see ample room up here as well with backrests for your guests if you want to ride underway here. And you also have a large sun pad with garage storage underneath. We'd like to conclude this video up in the tower of the 380 Outrage, which is my favorite place to run this boat from. Remember, we're always open at MarineMax.com.